Introducing Powerex Neon 4T20 W40SN, a premium motorcycle engine oil designed for ultimate performance and long engine life. Here's a complete 360-degree look at our advanced packaging, from the front label to the detailed specifications on the back. Everything is crafted for quality and clarity. Every bottle of Powerex Neon comes with a leak-proof cap and a tamper-evident seal, ensuring the product you receive is 100% authentic and untouched. Now, let's look at the oil quality. Notice the rich texture and premium red color, a sign of Powerex's advanced additive formula created to reduce engine wear and enhance heat stability. Powerex Neon 4T20 W40SN is specially formulated for all four-stroke motorcycles. It delivers smoother gear shifts, maximum engine cleanliness, enhanced clutch performance, excellent thermal and oxidation stability. Whether you're riding in the city or on long highway routes, Powerex Neon 4T is ideal for bikes that demand both power and protection. Since 2010, Powerex Petrochem Pvt has been delivering top-tier lubricants for Indian roads. Our products are made with cutting-edge technology and decades of expertise. Give your bike the power it deserves. Choose Powerex Neon 4T20W40SN today. For more info, call or WhatsApp us, +91 635 3365665. Visit www.powerexoil.com and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real product videos and engine care tips.